Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laptops for architects that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Apple MacBook Pro 16. The Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch is a premium laptop that caters to professionals and power users, especially those in creative fields such as architecture. It combines high performance, a stunning display, and advanced connectivity options in a robust and sleek design. The 2023 model is powered by Apple's M2 Pro chip, featuring a 12-core CPU with 8 performance and 4 efficiency cores and a 19-core GPU. It also offers an option to upgrade to the M2 Max chip for even more power. The laptop supports up to 96 GB of unified memory and up to 8 TB of SSD storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for large files and applications. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Razer Blade 16. The Razer Blade 16 is a high-performance gaming laptop that stands out for its unique display technology and powerful hardware configuration. The Razer Blade 16 boasts a 16-inch, 40.64 cm display, offering users a substantial screen size for gaming and creative work. It features a dual-mode display that can switch between 2 resolutions, a UHD Plus resolution of 3840 by 2400 for creators needing high detail, and an FHD Plus resolution of 1920 by 1200 for gamers prioritizing refresh rates 4. This innovative display supports a refresh rate of up to 240 Hz in FHD Plus mode, catering to the needs of esports enthusiasts, and 120 Hz in UHD Plus mode for creators needing precision and detail. At number 3, we have the Dell XPS 13 Plus. The Dell XPS 13 Plus is a premium ultra-portable laptop that stands out for its innovative design and powerful performance. The Dell XPS 13 Plus offers a variety of display options to cater to different user needs. These include a 13.4-inch screen available in several resolutions, Full HD Plus, 1920 by 1200, 3.5 KOLED, 3456 by 2160, and UHD Plus, 3840 by 2400. The OLED option is particularly notable for its superb color gamut, covering 100% sRGB, Adobe RGB, and DCI-P3. It is suitable for color-critical work like photo editing and HDR content production. The pricing of the Dell XPS 13 Plus varies depending on the configuration. At number 2, we have the ASUS ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED laptop. The ASUS ProArt StudioBook 16 OLED is a high-end laptop for creative professionals, including architects, graphic designers, and video editors. It features a 16-inch OLED display with a resolution of 3840 x 2400 pixels, providing a wide color gamut and excellent color accuracy essential for professional creative work. The OLED panel ensures deep blacks and vibrant colors with a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, making it ideal for tasks requiring precise color grading. The laptop is powered by up to a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13980HX processor and a professional-grade NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU, making it capable of handling compute-intensive workloads efficiently. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dell XPS7. The Dell XPS7 is a premium laptop with a sleek design and powerful performance, making it an excellent choice for professionals, including architects. Its 17-inch display offers ample screen real estate for multitasking and detailed work. The Dell XPS7 boasts a 17-inch display, providing a large workspace for complex projects and multitasking. It offers a UHD plus resolution of 3840 by 2400 pixels, ensuring sharp and clear visuals for design work. The color accuracy of the XPS7 is commendable, with the screen capable of accurately displaying a broad color spectrum, which is crucial for tasks requiring color precision. The panel type is typically an IPS or OLED, offering excellent viewing angles and color reproduction. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!